Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Velitra and I am the crafty black girl. So you guys, excuse the background. I caught myself trying to replace our background using the green screen. Long story short, it came out horrible. So this is what we have for this video. Sorry about it, just ignore it. So yeah, we're doing frozen Easter baskets today, and I'm using the regular wicker basket. It's actually a bamboo basket that I actually love to use from Dollar Tree. So next we have these nail polishes, cups, nightlight, bubbles, and we also have these that I got from Dollar General, lip glosses, grow capsules. I mean, we just have some stuff for this basket. So I just went ahead and attach the nightlight and put the cup in the front. This one's going to be super fast. Those nail polishes I found from Big Lots for $5, and the jump rope and everything else came from Dollar Tree. I actually bought these things last year in preparation for Easter this year, because I know that sometimes you cannot always find these things in Dollar Tree. So when you see them, grab them, clear the shelf. I'm just adding the Easter eggs to this basket. I'm putting about 3 eggs. I'm not doing much candy for these baskets, but we are doing some candy. I don't want to be full of candy, but things that they can actually use and play with. So now I'm just attaching the trolley gummies, and then we're going to cover the back of our basket as we always do, because we don't want them to see the construction of the basket, just the outer appearance of the basket. So I'm just going ahead and taping that down with clear tape on both sides, like we always do. Want everything to look seamless and everything to look clean. So this is what we got. I went ahead and added some shred to the back. I bought that shred from Family Dollar, and there was quite a bit in there. They were $1, and I'm probably getting like 4 baskets out of them now, because I'm not using as much as I was. Wherever I know that I'm going to add products, I have not been adding shred or Easter grass. So I'm just showing you guys how I actually cut down the basket. I fold it and then I cut them along the seam. Hopefully you guys saw what I did, but if not, you can go back and rewind it to see exactly how I've been cutting down the basket so that they fit. You don't have to do this, but it just makes it more fitted. And then you'll see I just gather them at the top, go ahead and tie the bow at the top, and then I just take the sides and tape them to the back of the basket. And as you can see, sometimes they are a little short, so you'll just have to pull the back of it and just adjust it a little bit, but it always works out. It always fits. And just tape along the side, and of course use clear packing tape. I am going to link down below the packing tape that I started using from the beginning, which is so amazing. I mean, it is really good. Like, some packing tape does not stick that well, but this packing tape that I'm gonna link in the bottom, it works amazing. And I was so glad to find it again, because I couldn't find it and I had to go with a different brand, but I'm gonna link it down below. But this is what we have for our frozen basket, you guys. I really love how this one came out. I really love the products and items that I was able to find and that I had on hand to put everything together. Love it. So if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I will see y'all later. Stay crafty.